All right, guys, welcome to the new King Fishing channel. A little bit different today. I have Hector with me today. Gino was unfortunately unavailable. He had to work. I told him I was gonna go fishing anyways, and I invited Hector out, and he said yes. We are out on Modesto Reservoir today. I've been here a couple times, caught decent fish, but never been on a kayak out here. So I hope it's gonna be fun. A little windy, so hopefully the wind doesn't mess with the audio too much, but hopefully I could figure something out for that. Hector, you have anything to say?
Let's catch some good ones.
All right, see you guys out there. All right, guys, out on the water. It is real windy. I don't like it. We might abandon a lot sooner than I expected. It's a terrible idea to be out here, but we're gonna go fishing in a little protected cove for a bit first, and then we'll probably call it there, because that wind is not nice. Currently paddling parallel, so let's not do that. Let's go towards it. Yeah, that's a little better. I'll show you guys what I'm working with. It's a lot worse out there. Right here is actually really nice. It's not too bad right here. I don't mind it here. Oh man, this is real wavy, real rocky. You guys see it white capping out a little bit over there. It's not where I want to be right now. Right now it's okay. Still a little sketchy for me, but out there is white capping. I'm like, not in this tiny little kayak. Not what it's built for. This thing is not built for bigger water. Yeah, the water's so mucky. Let's start fishing. Do what we're here to do. My friend Hector is supposed to be recording with his GoPro, but don't think I see his GoPro on him right now. So I might not even be recording. Again, we might bail on the kayaks and just go shore fishing for the rest of the day. Might be more comfortable that way, might be a little nicer. But for now, we'll stay like this for just a tad bit longer. Not too terribly long though. Or until we'll just say, yeah, that's it. Black and blue pops out a little more. Oh, dash of purple in there. Half ounce. Over here has a little bit depth. So let's see what we could do. Yeah, we're just staying anchored up and not moving too much. I don't think I tuned this one yet. It's not squeaking. Yeah, I heard it flop, like a jump, and I'm like, I looked over and it's like, your rod was bent. I'm like, you got a fish. Got hooked? Huh? Got hooked? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get, we'll be able to get it out. It's just, I don't know if he's surviving.
Yeah, he's moving that.
Oh, come on. Oh, that's blood all over me. Ah, man.
Oh. Laundry day?
Yep, it's gonna have to be. Yeah.
How bad?
Oh yeah, nails is in his guts. Right. Let's get it out. And I don't know if he'll survive, but
he does.
that's what happens when you use like Senkos and you're not paying attention. Here you go, little guy. Got the hook out. There you go. Give him a release. Swim! He swims! Oh, there's one. There we go. Damn, that one hit it hard. That's a catfish, dude. Are you fucking serious? A catfish? It's a catfish. Ah, I thought I had a big bass for a second. I feel a weird shake. Oh my God, it's a catfish. Yeah, the way it was swimming. You cat bastard. Come here, come in here. Come here, gunked up on my line. Open your damn mouth. Stop thrashing. Ah. Stop thrashing. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, he came off. Damn, he hit that so damn hard. I thought it was a big bass. Ah, what the heck? A freaking catfish, really? Really? Really, Modesto? Modesto Reservoir, really? Give me a kitty. All right, guys. The wind is not in our favor today. We're gonna get off the water and just do some bank fishing. This wind does not look nice to be fishing in right now.
It does.
Makes the condition on this smaller watercraft not very nice. So we're gonna get off. We're still doing bank fishing, so we'll still be out for another like hour or two. So I'll catch you guys then. All right, guys, we're back on the dam. Well, back on the bank. We're gonna be fishing around the dam. We'll probably follow along the dam over there. Hector's currently using a chatterbait. But yeah, let's just see how things go. All right, guys, new little spot. See how it goes. Yeah, the water's so much more calm on this side. We should have launched our kayaks on this side instead of over at the south shore. That was my mistake. I want to explore the other side because I've never been there on the kayaks. But that was a big mistake. Lesson learned. Should have launched the kayaks over here where it's more protected. Oh well. Alright, guys. About 4 hours of fishing or so, maybe less, like 3.5, 4 hours. Yeah, we're leaving. Not a great day. Not a great day of fishing for us. Way too windy. The water's too sketchy. Went to the other side. Decided get off the water, off the kayak, and go on the other side. Do some bank fishing. The wind is so much nicer on that side. We should have just started on the other side. Lesson learned. Check out the lake before we go fishing anywhere else. Hector caught one small bass on a Senko Texas rigged, and I caught a fucking catfish on a black and blue chatterbait. That was fantastic. I thought it was a huge bass, and then saw the head. I'm like, catfish. Well, Modesto Reservoir did us very dirty. Well, maybe we'll come back here next time, get some revenge, but I don't know where else we'll go next time. Hector, you have any words?
Fox Grove. Never know.
Never know.
Bye.
Catch you all next time. Peace.